What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller and Ryan back here with another video. Today we're gonna be taking the wagon to my favorite local boba spot. Now we have a lot of options to choose from here in Raleigh, North Carolina area. We got Kung Fu Tea, Cha House, Mogi Tea, the Milk Lab. There's like 5 or 6 around here. I thought I would take the wagon out this evening. This video was actually suggested to me by Gucci Slacks on Instagram. Taking the R32 to your favorite food spot. We're gonna be taking the E34 to my favorite boba spot. We're gonna let this thing warm up and then we'll get right drinking some boba. Let's do it. Alright guys, well we made it. Damn, you can't really see it. Kung Fu Tea in Cary. This is what we're gonna be checking out today. Let's go see what they got on the menu, see what we wanna order today. Ryan, you got any ideas of what you wanna order?
Chai tea with boba.
That sounds pretty good. I'm gonna see if I want boba or if I'm gonna want one of their other cool drinks. This isn't sponsored or anything, we're just having a good afternoon, so. It can be sponsored, hit me up, Kung Fu Tea. They got all the bobas, classic teas, slushies, punches, and all this other stuff. I got a honey oolong milk tea. Ryan, what'd you get?
Got a mother
The chai tea?
Chai tea, milk tea, boba.
Always give it a little stir. Let's go set it on the wagon and try this. I've had it before, but I'll explain it to you guys. Honey oolong milk tea, smack. You guys ready? I got like 8 boba pieces up this straw at once, so no liquid actually came through the straw. Dude, it's just like a sweet, like kind of sugary, milky, honey flavored drink.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful. Look at this. You see that? It's a great day for boba. Beautiful day for boba. Maybe I should start a boba review channel. That's what I'm gonna do.
Definitely enough places in Raleigh.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Also, shout out to Kung Fu Tea for having cups that fit in my cup holder.
Also, cups with the lids that don't open up while you're driving and spill everywhere. That's a nice.
It's a nice little touch.
Yeah.
Nice little touch. But yeah, I don't have cup holders in the wagon. You guys know this, so that'll do. So I guess I should rate my drink. Considering this is the first one I'm like actually rating, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. No, we'll do 6.5 out of 10 because it's very good. We just might find something better. Let me know what you guys think of this style of video. This is obviously not what I'm usually doing, vlogging and little edits and stuff, but I'm always looking to try new stuff, add new stuff into the videos. There's not gonna be a whole lot else going on tonight. That's clean. To get ready to go to Clean Exhibition over the weekend. We're going to Greenville, South Carolina. This video will be up the following weekend. So if you are watching this, be ready for the show footage, the vlog footage, and hanging out with everybody footage from the weekend. So that will be coming up. So that's about it. Gotta go pack, get ready for that show. Ryan, let's say goodbye. I don't know what's falling above us, but yeah.
I'm not going to the show.
Yep. Ryan's saving money, but dear God. All right, you guys have a great rest of your night. We'll see you in the next one.